got my hair dyed. Hey, and I'm in love with it. Hey, vou pegar aquele ali com a mariachi. Well, you got turn around?
Uh-huh.
Let me know what you guys think about this. Okay, if you want to try to do a DIY, come here. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching.
So you can be versatile with the style. You can want to fit in the middle part. Because it's giving a life. Or if you're tired with it, you can always do the side part. Just flip it on that little bit. And call it a day. And it's still giving. I'm gonna love my hair now.
Like what?